Fun. Good evening all of you. Welcome to test number 9 reasoning session. The first question. 7 boys A to G have different heights. G is taller than B. So G is taller than B. A is taller than 3 people. So A is taller than 3 people. So 1, 2, 3. Now A is taller than 3 people in the sense 3 people only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then remaining persons. B is taller than A. So B is taller than A. E is taller than D but shorter than C. F is taller than C and again but shorter than B. Again they are talking F. So B and below B I want G. Then B is G is taller than B. Very good. So G is taller than B. Again G is here. So I want to G is here, B is here, F is here, and C, E, D is here. There is only chances. There is a puzzle. How many boys are taller than D? So taller than D, how many boys? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. Option A is the right answer. Who among the following is fifth shortest? So this is first shortest, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Who is that? F. So option E. Then if A is 150 centimeters, G is 200. A is 150 and G is 200. And that's what the question they're asking. Then what's the possible height of B? So 150 to 200 in between. What are the chances? 175. Option A is right answer. The next 8 persons were married 8 different years. That's at 2002 and 5 and 8 and 10 and 13, 16, 19, 21. Now, P was married in the leap year. Leap year remember 8 and 16. So P was here and P was here. Take it as one possibility lower and upper. Now 3 persons are married between P and U. So 3 persons, U is here, 3 persons, U is here. Now who was married immediately before S? U is immediately before S, U was immediately before S is here. The number of persons married after U same as before V. After U 1 person, before V 1 person. After U there is a 6 persons, before V also 6 persons. Now Q was married 3 persons before R. Q was married 3 persons before R in the sense third person only. Okay. Now if there is take it as Q 2 persons R. If I take it as Q 2 persons R not possible. Q R not possible. Q R not possible. Then only chance Q and R. In this case also if we take it as Q R, this one possibility and these also one more possibility. Now both were married in even number year. So both were married in even year 2002, 2010 even 10 to 10. If 13, 21 not possible. Take it as Q and R both are even year. Now W was married immediately before T. I want 2 places, 2 neighbors. W was immediately before T. This is the only chances for these W and T not possible. So upper case is not possible, lower case is only possible. Then move on to questions. Question number 69. Who among the following person married in 2013? Who is the 2013? W. So option B is the right answer. Next, how many persons were married between U and W? C and W, 1 person. Option C. In which of the following year does R was married? 2010. Option C. If Q is related to 2010, Q 2010, 2 years gap. And W related to 2021, W 21, 2 years gap. Then 2013 related to who among the following person related to 2013? 2 years gap ever V undar. So option A is the right answer. Then which of the following is true? 2 persons were between T and V? No. Q was married in 2005? No. 4 persons between V and R? No. S was married 3 persons after W? Yes. Option D is the right answer. How many such pairs of letters are in the word temperature, in each of which have many letters in between both the forward and backward directions? Come on, tell me that numbers, ma. 20, 5, 13, 16, 5, 18, 1, 20, 21, 18, 5. Come on. 20, 21, 22, no need. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, no. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, no. 16, 17, 18, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, no. 18, 19, 20 is the one pair again. 18, 19, 20, 21, one pair again. Next 20, 21, one pair again. So up to now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 వచ్చాయి. Next, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is 13. 1. Total 7. Next 18, 19, 20. 8. No need. 21, no. 20, 21, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 18, 19, 20, no. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 16, 17, 18, 19. Only 8 na? 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So 9. So more than 8 is here. Option B is right answer. Now, all Vinith is India. All Vinith is India. Some Vinith is Geo. Some Vinith is Geo. Only few Geo is idea. Some part of Geo is not a idea. Then some idea can be Vinith. This is idea. This is Vinith. They are asking can be. Yes, follows. Now some idea can never be India. They are asking idea and India. They are given not. They are not given any restriction about these two. They are asking not. So not false. Only one false. Next, only few Deepika is Ranveer. Some part of Deepika is not a Ranveer. No Ranveer is Priyanka. Then all Kaif is Ranveer. So all Kaif is Ranveer. Some Kaif is Deepika. This is Kaif, this is Deepika. No. Some all Deepika is Priyanka. No. So neither one, not two false. Next, code and decoding. What is the code of make? So this is a make and this is a make. There is only chance of first and fourth line is a make. First and fourth line is common is which? Mi. There is no di and there is no ni. There is no vi. Option C is the right answer. Clear? Now, what is the code for qi? There is only chance for qi. Where is the qi? There is second line. There is a qi. Now, anywhere? No. The only second line is chance for qi. Then only chance of word in second line only. Happy. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి కాదు. World. So ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి కాదు. Beat and self. So beat and self. Self is here. So self also not word. The only chance beat. So option C is right answer. Next, what is the code for you me? So what is the U code? There is only chance for U in the last line only. Then you have to select that last line only code. XI, no, because of here. AI, maybe. MI, no, because of here. GI, no, because of here. So AI. So option C cannot be the answer. Option A cannot be the answer. Because of you want AI. Then what is the code for mean? So what is the mean? Here is the mean. And that's it. The only third line is the chance of mean. Then yi, gi is there, not the chance. Vi is there, not the chance. Zi, yi, zi is there, not the chance. Only yi. So ai, yi, option B. Option B is right answer. Next, self, the code as self. Here is the self, here is the self. Second and third line. Second and third line, which is common? Zi is common, Qi, no, Xi, no, Ni, no. So only A. Option A is the right answer. Next, 8 persons standing around a square table in such a way that one person standing in each corner facing outside. So corners are facing outside. I already చెప్పాను squares అంటే circles వేసుకోవచ్చు అని చెప్పి. Now, you know the corners very well. So these are the corners. Now, so these are the corners. ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఎక్కువ లెవెల్ సర్కిల్ కాబట్టి సర్కిల్ వేయమని చెప్పాం. Facing outside. So corners are facing outside and middles are facing inside. And outside, inside. Now, okay. Q stand third right of P, who does not stand middle of the side. So P should be corner of the side. So P is taken as this corner, P is taken as this corner. Q is third right of P, first right, second right, third right. Q is here. Again, Q is here. Now, 2 persons between L and K, who stand immediate right of P. Who is that? K is immediate right of P. So K is immediate right of P, K is immediate right of P. 2 persons between L and K, take it as one chance left of K, take it as one chance right of K. Okay. Now, as many persons stand between Q and L, as many persons between Q and L is same as P and M. Q and L how many persons? 2 persons. P and M also 2 persons. So this is only chance for 2 persons. And Q and L, no person. P and M also, no person. మీరు ఎలా చూసుకోండి Q and M, Q and L 2 persons చూసుకున్నారు. లేదు సార్ ఇది చూస్తాము 1, 2, 3, 4. దెన్ P and M 1, 2, 3, 4. ఎలా చూసుకున్నా పర్లేదు. ఓకేనా, ఇటు చూసినా అలాగే ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్ కాబట్టి. నెక్స్ట్, J is stand immediate left of O. O కి immediate left లో J ఉంటారు. And faces same direction as L. Who is that? J. J faces same direction as L. So J should be outside. This is outside, this is outside. If there is a J, there is not chance of O. The only chance of J, and J is immediate left of O. Here L is facing outside. If J is here, there is no chance for O. If J is here, there is not chance for O. J is here, not possible. So this case is not possible. The only case is possible, and put the remaining person. Clear? Now, 4 of the following fire alike in certain way. They are asking odd one out. They are asking odd one out. P outside. Then N. Is remaining person is N only, na? Yes, if you choose the outside. Then O inside, J outside, L outside. So option C, O only inside, remaining all are outside. Next, what is the position of L with respect to N? This is L, this is N, first right, second to the right. Option B is the right answer. Option B. Who among the following persons stand third left of N? Third left of N. First left, second left, third left. Who is that? M. The one who stand immediate right of M? No. O kaadu, K kaadu. The one who stand opposite to Q? Yes. Option D is the right answer. As many persons stand between J and Q? Same as O and when counted from both left of both, from left of both J and O. J కి Q కి లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి అంట ఎంతమందమ్మా? ఇద్దరు. లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి అన్నాడు ఇద్దరు. దెన్ O నుంచి ఇద్దరు లెఫ్ట్లో ఎవరున్నారు? P. So is that P. Option A. If all the persons are made to stand in alphabetical order with respect to J in clockwise direction. So with respect to J in clockwise direction, come on. Excluding J they are telling. Then J. This is only clockwise, na? J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. They are asking excluding J. This is N chance. Any other person? No, only one. Option A. Then 86 to 88. The person is going to P to G, come on. P to G, P to I is going? Yes, but there is no I. Then P to M is going and P to H is going. You want to go with G, I want to go for J at least. There is no J, so not for this. G to I want. G to I అంటే ఫస్ట్ G నుంచి K కి వెళ్తున్నాడు, then K నుంచి P కి వెళ్తే P నుంచి I కి వెళ్ళాలి. No, so neither one, not to follows, none follows. Next, A to Q, there is no chance for A, but because of A is also here. A to F is going, there is no F again. Any chance for A? No, not follows. D to F, and D to F means the person you want to go A. So D to A is going, A to F is going. While going D to A without luggage, but I want also without luggage. Only 2 follows. Then G to F, G to K is going, and K to S is going, and S to F is going with luggage, with luggage, with luggage, with luggage. But single one not possible, but the combination is the possible. So what is the answer? Either. Next, P, Q, R, S, T, U, members of the family. The next, P is the maternal grandfather of R. If there is a R, maternal grandfather, mother side nunchi father అని చెప్పాడు. P is the maternal grandfather of R. T is the son-in-law of P. So T is the son-in-law of P. S is the sibling of R. Then Q is the mother of S. Then U is the daughter-in-law of T. So U is the daughter-in-law of T, maybe chance of here and maybe chance of here. T has no daughter. T ki daughters leranta. Then both are pluses. P has only one daughter. So P has only one daughter. That is the Q only. S is not the husband of U. So there is only chance for U. U is the minus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 persons. Then find the odd one out. P plus person, Q minus person, T plus person, R plus person, S plus person. Option B is the different one. As Q related to T, the same way U related to Q related to T. Then emotar wife, the same way U is related to R. Option C is the right answer. How is the P related to S? Emotarma, grandfather, mother's walla father, grandfather. Option A. 92 to 96, 5 people, P, Q, R, S, T, P, Q, R, S, T. Go to the gold gym and do different exercises with different duration that range from 20 to 45 minutes, but not in the same order. The deadlift is done on odd number time duration. So deadlift is odd number time duration. The difference between the duration of exercise that P and T do is 6 minutes. P and T difference is 6 minutes. Now S does burpees. So S does burpees exercise. There is a names of exercises. Okay. S does burpees, and the difference in the time duration of P and S is 15 minutes. P and S is 15 minutes. R does planks. I don't know. R does planks for the duration which is perfect square number. That 20 to 45, perfect square how many? 2, 25 and 36. So you can take it as 25 or 36. Take it as for example. Okay. Now Q does exercise for 12 minutes more than T. So T plus Q is 12 minutes more than T. T plus 12 is equal to Q. Q does exercise for 12 minutes more than T, but not lunges. So Q is not lunges అని చెప్పారు. Neither P nor Q does squats. P కానీ Q కానీ squats కాదు. P కానీ Q కానీ squats కాదు. Only chance of squats is T. Not lunges means this is only chance for here. and P does not exceed for the duration which is P does not exceed duration which is 11 minutes less than duration of R. So P is not the less than duration of R అని చెప్పాడు. ఇంకేం చెప్పాడా, డెడ్ లిఫ్ట్ ఈస్ డ్యూరేషన్ ఈస్ ఆడ్ మినిట్స్ అని చెప్పాడు. సో దిస్ ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ ఫర్ డెడ్ లిఫ్ట్, ఇంకా మిగిలింది ఇక్కడే కదా. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ ఆడ్. నౌ ఆర్ రిలేషన్ ఏం లేదు. P minus T is equal to 6, P minus S is equal to 15, T plus 2 is equal to Q. The next P does does not another. P does the exercise for the duration which is 11 minutes less than R. Okay, if TP is taken as R is taken as 25, not possible because of the duration is only 20 to 45 minutes only. That's it. So P is not a chance for 25, so R is only 36. So 36 minus 11, which is that 25. So P is 25. Then P minus T is equal to 6. The difference ala cheppada, difference cheppada, just difference cheppada. Yeah, 25 plus 6, 31. T plus 2 is equal to Q. 31 plus 12, 43. So 43 is equal to Q, that is odd number. Very good. Next, P minus S is equal to 15. Again, not possible. 25 plus 15, 40. Difference they are saying, not minus S. Okay, 25 plus 15, 40. So these are the first. Then, who among the following does squats? Squats evadamma? T. Option C. Option C is here. What is the difference in the time duration which is burpees and deadlift is done? Burpee is 40, deadlift is 43. What is the difference? 3 minutes. Option D is here. Next, find the correct statement. Q does deadlift for least duration? No. S does burpee for more than 35 minutes? Yes. The difference of the duration of P and Q is 18 minutes. P and Q is 18 minutes. 25 plus 18, 43. Yes. So both 2 and 3. Option C. Next, which of the following exercise does the maximum duration? Maximum duration only deadlift only, 43. Deadlift, option B. Option B. The T does exercise for 31 minutes. Option D is the right answer. Clear? Now, 97 to 100, 10 people sitting in 2 parallel rows, facing each other. PQRST, row 1 and facing west. ఓకే, వెస్ట్ అంటే అమ్మ ఇలా అండ్ ఇలా తీసుకోదమ్మా, నేను చెప్పాను చాలాసార్లు మీకు. ఓకే, టేక్ ఇట్ యాస్ వెస్ట్. 1 2 3 4 5 persons and this is east. So row 1 is facing west. ఎవరు? PQRST. The row 2 is facing east. 1 2 3 4 5. This JKLMN. Okay, now facing east. P is third from one of the end. So take it as inner one possibility, outer one possibility. Okay, then P is one end. 1 2 3. P is one end, P is one end. In both also P is same position because of 5 persons. Third is same. And faces the one who sits second left of L. P sits third from one of the end and faces the one who sits second to the left of L. P faces second left of L. P faces second to the left of L is here. Now, one person between P and Q who does not face L. So this is not chance for Q, only chance for Q, and only chance for Q is here also. Then 2 persons between Q and R. So 2 persons R is here, 2 persons R is here. Next, ఒకదాన్ని ఆపండి అమ్మా, సేమ్ వస్తున్నాయి, ఒకదాన్ని ఆపండి. Next, 2 persons between J and M and one of them sit one of the extreme end. మరి one of them అని చెప్పాడు, ఎవడో తెలియదు కదా, ఇప్పటివరకు అన్నీ సేమ్ కదా. సో J 2 persons, M 2 persons, J. Okay, now S does not sit any of the end. So S is not end and S only chance of here, S only chance of here. The remaining person is what? T. Remaining person is what? T. Next, S does not sit any end of the face, ends faces the one who sit immediate left of K. S faces immediate left of K. S faces immediate left of K. S faces immediate left of K is here. Immediate neighbors of S does not face M. Immediate neighbors of S, these two, not M. Yes, immediate neighbors of S, these two, but this is M. So outer case is not possible, inner case only possible. That's it. Now the question number 97. Who among the following sit opposite to N? The remaining person is N only. Who is opposite to N? Yes. Option D. Who sit immediate left of M? So K is immediate left of M. That person who is opposite to T? No. Second right of J? Yeah. J. First right, second right. Second right of J. Option D. Who sit immediate right of T? R. Option D. The last question. 4 of the following fire like Q and J and L and T and R is only not the N person. So option E is the right answer. Fine. Thank you all of you.